Hello my friends, welcome back to my device. If you see this error on your laptop or PC, don't be afraid. Just follow my video, we will fix it with each other. It happens when you want to actually install Windows 10 or Windows 8 on your PC or on your laptop, and you can see this error. It's not so complicated. This is my actually own trick and you can fix it. There is so many actually guys tutorial and video on internet about this error, and some of them actually recommend you to go to your command prompt and actually type the command, and none of them and all of them doesn't work for this error. Actually most of the video about this error not work because they are about fixing this error when you wanna upgrade to Windows 10. But imagine the situation, you don't have access to your Windows, or you bought a new hard drive recently, or the situation and you wanna downgrade your actually Windows to Windows 8 or in Windows 8.1 or Windows 7, and actually you don't have access to your Windows to upgrade or downgrade your actually system. When you are in BIOS page, you just want to installing your new Windows. You don't want to go to command prompt and type and upgrade your Windows. You wanna actually guys install your new Windows and enjoy it. So because of that, you need this video to actually sort it out. As you can see, this video cover installing Windows 10, downgrade to Windows 8 or Windows 8.1 or Windows 7. So it's so complete to installing your new Windows. Most of the time this error happens when you have a low physical RAM disk on your system. As you can see, I have a 2 GB RAM on my system and most of it is unusable. Here for the solution, I have booted 2 flash memory, and one of them is booted by Refuse software and one of them booted by WinSetupFromUSB software. So the big one is booted by Refuse and the small one booted by actually WinSetupFromUSB software. So I'm gonna actually test both of them and I will show you what is the main problem and what is the solution for bypassing this problem. First of all, here I will show you how to boot your flash memory actually. First one with the Refuse app and the second one with the WinSetupFromUSB. Select your flash memory on device and on the boot section select your ISO file from your actual Windows, and in the next step select your partition of your hard drive. For me it's MBR, so I will choose it, and after all click on the start. Click on start and after that click on OK and wait for the process. The next one is how to create a bootable flash memory drive with WinSetupFromUSB, and actually after that I will show you how to use both of them. open up your WinSetupFromUSB actually software, and in the add to USB disk select Windows Vista 7, 8, 10 or 11 and select your ISO file, Windows ISO file. I will select it, and after that set your actual software with my option, and no need to choose actually extra option. Just click on go and click on yes, and again click on yes and wait for the process. First of all, I will actually test the flash which is booted by Rufus software. I will plug it and restart my system and go to actually boot option. Now I will select my flash memory disk, Sony storage media, click on enter and again enter, and here you can see again the error. So what is the solution? It's not solution. We will go to next one, the second flash memory which is booted by WinSetupFromUSB. So I'm gonna change the flash memory with the small one which is booted by WinSetupFromUSB. So I will plug it on my USB port and again restart my PC and put my system with my flash memory, and you can see here silicon power 8 GB. This is my flash memory. I will enter it and you can see. Wait, and you can see here, go to actually zero option. I'm a Windows NT6 Vista or above setup. Enter it and go down and select Windows 10 setup version. Enter it and wait. Guys, for the example, I actually boot Windows 10. You can boot your Windows 8, Windows 8.1 or Windows 7. Whatever you want, you can do it. So here we can see this lovely blue page actually, and it shows that everything is okay, perfect, and you can set up your new version of Windows, and you don't need to any option go to command prompt or another solution which is not work. And so as you can see, this method is work perfectly. This is my own trick and I hope you enjoy it. Actually, for the conclusion, guys, do not forget that set up your flash memory disk with WinSetupFromUSB. Actually, this software is completely free. You can download it and search it on internet. I will put the actually download link on description, and if you like this video, please like it and put your comment for me. If it works for you, tell me, and do not forget that subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.